What the crap is going on with this piece of trash? It's a Can-Am for you. What the crap? Oh well. That doesn't sound good. Well, crap, guys. I'm scared to touch it. It might electrocute it to me. Shoot. I might have to get a pull back home. That sucks. Crap. Don't this just freaking work? Jesus. That's a Can-Am for you guys. I needed to go get me a new battery. That's what it is. Look at this piece of trash. What's up, buddy? No. They went in limp mode and the battery shorted out. So I'm gonna need to pull back home or something. Or pull back to your house. I ain't touching that thing while I'm wet. You ain't wet.
I know.
You can let Gavin, he gonna be electrocuting man.
What happened to it?
It went in limp mode and it said low battery and then it just shut off.
It went like a stick limp.
Shut up, Brett. You got some gloves? I don't know if I want to touch it. Yeah, I know.
Like Harry and Mars.
It had to be so. It won't. Come here, listen. Look what it's doing. Watch.
Yes, sir. I'm
That bit is hot.
touch.
Woo! That just gave me a little vibe.
Turn this bitch up.
I'm scared, nigga. I'm scared to touch this bit.
There you go. I got a little dick mode.
Shut up. Let me get out this mud for one. What the crap, guys? This thing don't like me is what it is. Hey, Brett. Man, I almost send it anyways. If it gets messes up, oh well. I can't let him. Send it. Hey, cuz, get me a video going through it if I don't go limp mode again. Let's put it in four-wheel drive case. Hey, cuz! I got a stick. Hey, sexy lady, what's your name? You gotta get Brett going through it, nigga.
I already got Brett going through it.
Get him again.
Got it.
Look at that 1000 eat, son. Let it eat. Let that 1000 baby eat, son. Let's go again. And man, I found me a good little hole. I done tried, it won't walk. See? It won't walk. I don't know why. I was smashing the... Go in that way. Huh? Oh, you gonna try it?
I'm gonna see if I can get it close.
Oh, man. Let's see if Brett can get mine to walk. This piece of trash. Man, this thing gonna need to be cleaned out now. Woo! Look at all the juicy stuff I got to clean. I'm following 28. No, 2950 Outlaws. With stupid Mega Mayhem. Man. Woo!
Where you going to drop yours?
Let this thing eat. But look at all that grass up under there.
Nickname Swamp Monster.
I can't. Let it eat, son. Look at that Can-Am eat. It won't walk. For some reason it won't walk with me or him. I don't know.
Cause you ain't doing it right.
What'd you say?
Yeah. You don't want to do this.
Woo! Ow, thorns.
You got it low. Try it again.
Yeah, I gotta clean this thing out, babies. Woo! Hey. Brett got a whole tree. Move yours. Ooh!
Your stupid self, Henry.
Ooh, that hurt. See, it won't walk, cuz.
He did it a little bit.
Now down there, son, we was making a walk left and right. You can't get muddy, can you?
Oh no. Yeah, I can.
High five, cuz. Ooh, that's cold. Man, I gotta get back on this baby. There's thorns right here, and I ain't got no shoes that's on. You'll be fine. Boy, this thing gonna need to be cleaned out. All right, Gavin, I'll pay you clean it out. You wash it and get all this grass off, I'll give you $10.
How about you let me ride it?
You can't get dirty, can you?
Yeah, man.
Your mom ain't gonna kill you?